Hello, Honor Chem kids. Mrs. Snyder here. Just want to give you a brief overview of the day and the expectations. I know that it's AP testing week, and I know that the calc test was yesterday, and I think there's another big one coming up near the end of the week. So please just make sure that you are keeping up with the daily work. If for some reason you can't keep up with the daily work, let me know when you do so that I know to go back and look for the grades. I have not graded the Gizmo Solubility Lab yet. That's on my docket for today. And I will be putting in the homework quizzes from last night. So if you did not complete them, please make sure you take a screenshot of them and email me that you have completed them when you do. So just kind of giving you a brief little overview of what this week looks like. Again, you don't see these days because they're turned off. Today is May 13th. I'll be turning on the molarity and dilution lesson here in a moment. But just be mindful that the exam will be on the 19th. For you guys, it will be just multiple choice. Because what we are also showing today as an option is you will be, and I don't have it in here yet, but there will be, actually I do know where I have it, there will be a assignment that will be for the test. And I will put this in today. Actually, it's going to be in its own folder. It says summative, what's in the water. So a portion of the exam that you will do on the 19th will be submitting this project, which we are opening up today, and you will be allowed to start working on that throughout the rest of the week, really, to get that done. So this project here, which is called summative, what is in the water, will be opened up today. And actually, I'm just going to open that up for you guys right now. And you're going to notice that the directions and such are here. You will also be submitting that to the assignment. And what is unique about the assignment this time is last time it was my first time doing an assignment. What I have for you guys here is a what is in the water document page. When you look at that, you will notice that there is a page that it says for you to put your name, your hour, and then I want you to paste your link of your presentation right here. So this is going to look a lot like that gas law presentation that you guys had to do. There is, in this part of the folder here, is the outline. This is a video of Miss Herring kind of explaining the project, so you can watch that. Her view is just a little bit different than ours, but I know that you guys can adjust. So here's literally the kind of the outline, the guiding question, and basically it is some of these topics that you get to review, research. You're going to do a project on. Again, here's a Google slide presentation you're going to make with you recording it, similar to what I'm doing right now. And you'll notice that we have listed how many slides you can have, what the point value is worth 25 points, and how you're going to upload that into your document or into the assignment page. So that is all there for you, and it is now turned on so that you guys can start looking at that. For today's lesson, it's going to be pretty straightforward. There is a daily lesson page and a homework quiz. It's going to be more mathematical, so that would be something, make sure that you have your calculator again today, because we're going into math, and tomorrow we'll be going into stoichiometry. One last thing that I did want to also point out to you guys is that I know that yesterday I had given you this sheet here, which was a reference sheet. So if we look at the bottom of our work here, and you had this table of solubility rules. So now as I open that up, The solubility rules is what was pertinent for yesterday's lesson. I'm hoping that it's going to open up here. Yep, here it is. Okay, so this was important for yesterday's lesson. So for instance, if you were wondering, like, is any type of ammonia salt soluble, meaning it will dissolve in water? And the answer is yes. Ammonia chloride, ammonia fluoride, ammonia acetate, anything that starts with ammonia will dissolve in water. This portion of the table explains that these compounds are insoluble in water. So like a carbonate, except for those in group 1 or ammonia. So let's say like iron carbonate. Iron 2 carbonate would not be soluble in water because it's a carbonate and it's not in group 1. Okay, so that's how you read a solubility table. Finally, this part here about mole freezing point, boiling point constants, this will be part of our Friday's lesson. So if you were confused about that or just wondering what that's about, that's going to be happening on Friday. And this would be a good sheet for you guys to either download or print out and have available for when you take the multiple choice portion of the exam, which will be on Tuesday. So that is pretty much all that I think I needed to talk about today. Make sure that you're doing attendance. Make sure that you email me with any makeup work. I hope you guys have a great day.